The Miele Complete C3 Marin Bagged Canister Vacuum is a high-performance cleaning solution designed for versatile use across various floor types. This model stands out in its striking marine blue finish and features the powerful SEB 236 Electro Premium floorhead, which is ideal for deep cleaning carpets of all pile heights. With its integrated LED headlight and 5 adjustable height levels, the vacuum ensures that every speck of dust is visible and removed from plush rugs and sturdy carpets alike. Beyond its carpet cleaning prowess, the Miele Complete C3 Marin Bagged Canister Vacuum includes the SBB 300-3 Parquet Twister floorhead, specifically engineered for the gentle care of smooth hard floors. The vacuum utilizes an airtight 12-stage AirClean Sealed System paired with a HEPA AirClean filter, which is capable of capturing over 99.9% of lung-irritating particles and allergens. The 6-stage suction control is easily managed via convenient plus or minus foot pedal switches, allowing users to transition between delicate upholstery and heavy-duty floor cleaning without bending over. The long-term reliability and user-centric design of the Miele Complete C3 Marin Bagged Canister Vacuum make it a premier choice for maintaining a pristine home environment. It offers a generous 36-foot operating radius thanks to its long cord and flexible suction hose, minimizing the need to switch power outlets frequently. With its 3 integrated accessories, 1/2 the dusting brush, upholstery tool, and crevice nozzle, 1/2 this vacuum provides a comprehensive cleaning experience that justifies its reputation as a top-tier domestic appliance. Pros: excellent suction power, quiet motor operation, high build quality, lightweight and easy to carry, long retractable power cord, comfortable handle design, effective LED headlight, wider cleaning head, great on hard floors, useful onboard tool storage, effective dirt filtration into bags, versatile adjustable power settings, easy to maneuver, impressive upholstery cleaning, gentle on pets. Cons: lacks power switch on the wand, dust bag full light can fail, dust bag seals may leak, bag holder can break easily, large beater brush head is bulky, standard floor tools struggle on rugs. Optional attachments can be expensive, canister may tip over on carpet, brush head motor may stop working, high cost for replacement parts, warranty issues when bought on Amazon, difficulty attaching and removing tools, manual is too general for model, suction is too strong for rugs. Features: bagged canister vacuum, electrobrush floorhead, suitable for carpets, suitable for hard floors. Complete C3 series, marine blue finish, HEPA filtration system, adjustable suction power. Integrated tool storage. The Miele Complete C3 Marin Bagged Canister Vacuum is a high-performance cleaning solution designed for versatile use across various floor types. This model stands out in its striking marine blue finish and features the powerful SEB 236 Electro Premium floorhead, which is ideal for deep cleaning carpets of all pile heights. With its integrated LED headlight and 5 adjustable height levels, the vacuum ensures that every speck of dust is visible and removed from plush rugs and sturdy carpets alike. The Miele Complete C3 Marin Bagged Canister Vacuum Cleaner offers exceptional suction power, high build quality, and a quiet motor, making it highly effective for both hard floors and upholstery while remaining easy to maneuver. With its lightweight design and retractable cord, users benefit from convenient features like integrated tool storage, adjustable power settings, and an LED headlight. Though the machine is not without its drawbacks. Common complaints include the lack of a power switch on the wand, a bulky beater brush head that struggles on some rugs, and potential durability issues with the bag holder and seals. Additionally, While the cleaning performance is top tier, the high cost of replacement parts, expensive optional attachments, and specific concerns regarding warranty coverage for units purchased through third-party retailers like Amazon are notable downsides for prospective buyers.